Hello and welcome student. Today we will be learning a new chapter from standard 7th subject English 2.5 Learn yoga from animals. Student, as our topic is learn yoga from animal. So, what is yoga? Okay, let me tell you a brief about it. The term yoga comes from Sanskrit word. It means union, means to join. Yoga continues physical exercise, mental meditation and breathing techniques to straighten the muscles and relieve stress. Yoga is not a religion. It is a way of living that aims toward a healthy mind in a healthy body. Yoga asanas build strength, flexibility, and confidence. Regular practice of yoga can help to lose weight, relieve stress, improve immunity, and maintain a healthier lifestyle. It is also considered to be a strong method to meditate which help to relax the mind and body. Student, on your screen you can see the picture of some animals who are doing some action, or you can say the emotions. So the question is that why it is said learn yoga from animal. So student, it appears that the ancient yogis found imitating animals to be an enlightening experience for both the body and mind. Animals have ample opportunity to release their emotions and tension through hormonal changes in their bodies. We often call this the fight or flight. So, in our surrounding, you can observe all these animals, how they are doing when they are in stress or in tension. So, the another question is that why yoga is necessary in our life. So, student, yoga brings together physical and mental discipline to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It helps to manage stress and anxiety and keeps us released. It also helps in increasing flexibility, muscles, strength and body tone. Yoga also builds strength, flexibility and confidence. And it is also says that for student yoga is important because it might improve attention, memory and stress. So let's proceed to our lesson learn yoga from animals. Introduction to yoga. Yoga is a complete science of life that originated in India many thousands of years ago, which reached the common man around 3rd century BC through Maharishi Patanjali in the form of grant called Yoga Sutra, where yoga philosophy is described as Ashtanga Yoga. It is the oldest system of personality development in the world encompassing body,
Mind and spirit. The ancient yogis had a profound understanding of man's initial nature and of what he needs to live in harmony with himself and his environment. They perceive the physical body is a vehicle with mind as a driver, the soul as man's true identity and action, emotion and intelligence as the three forces which pulls the body vehicles. New words originated have a specific beginning encompassing, surround and have or hold within spirit the non-physical part of a person which is the seat of emotions and character, the soul. Perceive, become aware or consequence of something. Explanation of this para. In this para, we learn how yoga is introduced. Yoga is said to be known from Maharishi Patanjali. Yoga is said to be a vehicle which pulls the body from all the stress.
2.5 Learn yoga from animals. Since the year 2015, the world has been celebrating June 21st as International Yoga Day. As most of us will know, yoga is a culture of physical, mental, and spiritual discipline perfected in ancient India. Yoga as an ancient Indian discipline is a composite practice involving the complete mind body soul complex that is a human being. Here, let us focus on yoga as an integrated system of physical exercises that helps us to improve flexibility, balance, and strength. New words composites made of several parts or elements. Integrate of an institution, body, etc. Desegregated, specially racial. Flexibility, quality of bending easily without breaking. Explanation. Learning the benefits of yoga aim and its immense popularity. June 21st is being celebrated as Yoga Day since 2015. Since ancient times, yoga is a perfect combination of mental, spiritual, and physical activities. It is an ancient Indian discipline which deals with complete mind, body, soul complex in a human being. In this chapter, we shall focus on yoga as an integrated system of various exercises that helps in concentration and focus, which is also beneficial for balance and strength. From an ancient Indian discipline, let us move to a very contemporary area of research. Experts today are doing a wonderful job of drawing us into the world of biomimicry. In simple terms, bio means life and mimicry is to emulate. Basically, biomimicry is the science of solving human problems with solutions already present in the natural world.
New words: contemporary, living or occurring at the same time. Biomimicry, the science of copying nature for making man-made things. Emulate, imitate or copy. Discipline, here a branch of knowledge, a subject. Explanation. Now, yoga is no more an ancient Indian discipline. It has now become a vast area of research. Experts are now trying their best to understand the world of biomimicry. Now, the biomimicry is made up of two words, that is bio and mimicry. Bio means life and mimicry means to emulate or to solve. Thus, biomimicry means of solve human problem using the solution already available in the natural world.
From this point of view, yoga is also a form of biomimicry, where in typical asanas or poses, we emulate mountains, trees, fish, cats, and so many more animals. This helps solve our problems brought on by day to day living, such as stiffness and back pain, and allows us to feel physically vibrant and mentally sharp. New words: stiffness, inability to move easily and without pain. Vibrant, full of energy and life. Explanation. So student, yoga can be copied from mountain, trees, fish, cats and many more animals, and we can learn or solve our day-to-day living problems such as back pain, stiffness, etc. Yoga also allows to feel physically full of energy and mentally good.
Before we proceed further, here are a basic precautions regarding yoga practice. So student, step 1, if you are a beginner, you should start practicing yoga either in the presence of a yoga teacher or join yoga class so that you learn the basic and the do's and don'ts of yogas. Asanas should be practiced in a clean, airy and well lit room. The floor should be level. It is advisable to use a yoga mat. If it is not possible to practice indoors, you may practice on level ground outdoors. New words: level, here it means flat and smooth land. Precaution, a measure taken in advance to prevent something dangerous, unpleasant or inconvenient from happening. Well lit, here sufficient light. Advisable, to be recommended, sensible. Explanation. But we should take care certain precaution regarding yoga practice. So student, if you are doing first time, so you are supposed to do this precaution. First, if you are doing yoga for the first time, then you should do it in presence of someone who can tell you about the basic do's and don't of yoga. Asanas should be done in a level floor on a yoga mat. You can practice on level ground or outdoor.
Point number 3, the best time to practice is in the morning before breakfast or in the evening before dinner. Some of the poses described below must be learned from an instructor before you attempt to practice them on your own. Let us look at a few well-known animal poses in yoga. New words: instructor, a person who teaches something. Here means yoga teacher. Attempt, make an effort to achieve. Explanation of this paragraph: the best time for doing yoga is before breakfast or dinner. Some of the poses which we are going to study should be learned from an instructor, means yoga teacher. Now let us look at some famous animal poses in yoga, because in this lesson we are learning most of the poses from animals. Bhujanga Asana is a beginner's pose. Bhujanga in Sanskrit means a cobra. Bhujanga Asana is a pose that resembles the posture of a cobra with raised head. This asana helps you tone the muscle of the back and stretches your spine. It also benefits the chest and shoulder. New words: resembles, look similar to. Tone, here it means to make the muscles firm. Explanation: Bhujanga Asana, it is a beginner's pose. In Sanskrit, Bhujanga Asana means cobra pose. So this asana resembles of a cobra with raised head. It also helps us to tone, means to make our muscle more firm of back and straighten our spine. It also helps good. It is also good for our chest and shoulder. Student, these are the few steps of doing Bhujanga Asana. So let's see. Number 1, lies face down. Relax all the muscles completely so that you are completely at ease. Second point, place your palms on the sides just below your shoulders. Third, breathe in deeply as you slowly raise your head. Fourth point, then smoothly raise the upper part of your body. New words: relax, make or become less tense or anxious. Ease, absence of difficulty or effort. Smoothly, in a smooth way. Student, these are all the steps of Bhujanga Asanas. So in this picture, you can observe how the woman is doing the Bhujanga Asana. So you can learn from this picture how to perform Bhujanga Asana while doing the yoga.
Bhujanga Asanas, point number 5. Do not come up with a jerk. Let your movement be smooth and flowing. 6 point. Come up slowly so that you feel the movement of the spine vertebra by vertebra. 7 point. Curve the spine well. 8. The navel must keep touching the ground. Hold the breath in this position to a count of 20. Then come down slowly while you breathe out. To start with, you can repeat the process 6 times. New words: vertebra, one of the small bones that form the backbone. Navel, belly button. Jerk, a quick, sudden movement that is not smooth. So, student, when you are doing this asana, you are supposed to keep your navel button touching to the ground and hold the breath in the position to count 20. You can repeat this process 6 times.
Simhasana or lion pose is a favorite with young people. In this asana, you assume the sitting position and facial expression of a lion. Although there may be a number of steps, this pose really requires very little effort. So, student, from the video you can learn that how the Simhasanas is before. Means it's a very easy yoga, and from this you can learn various things, and also it also says that it requires a very little effort. Student, in this slide, these are the steps related to Simhasana, that is lion pose. Step number 1, sit with your legs folded under you so that your toes are pointing straight behind and you are sitting on your heels. Second point, keep your spine straight but as relaxed as possible. Third, close your eyes and focus your attention on the center of the forehead. In yoga, this point is often referred to as the third eye. On your screen in the picture, you can see how the woman is doing this asana. New words: asana, a posture adopted in performing hatha yoga. Poses, a way of standing or sitting. And behind the woman you can see the lion image. So that's why it is known as Simha Asana.
Continuation of Simhasana. Fourth point. Closing your mouth. Touch your palate, roof of your mouth with your tongue. Take a deep breath through your nose while your tongue is still touching your palate. 6 point. Exhale in one strong move while sticking out your tongue and opening your jaws as much as possible. Also, your arms should be thrown out and stretched with your fingers splayed. New words: stretch, extends one's body, splayed, spread apart. So, student, while doing these asanas, you are supposed to close your mouth, touch your palate with your tongue, and also your arm should be thrown out and stretch with your fingers splayed.
Roar at the top of your voice while exhaling. Exhaling. The roar should be with a ha sound and should not be long drawn out one. Rather, it should be one strong explosion of breath that empties your lungs in the shortest time possible. 8 point. Hold this pose for between 20 and 30 seconds. Do not inhale immediately after this pose. Inhale after a few seconds. Repeat 5 or 6 times. This asana postures gets its name from the way you stick your tongue out as far as possible and the way you hold your fingers splayed out, resembling a roaring lion. New words: explosion, a sudden burst. Empathies, remove all the content of. So, from this point, we learn that when we are doing this asana, so it should be for 20 to 30 seconds and we can repeat this 5 to 6 times. And when we are doing these asanas, so we are supposed to stick our tongue as far as possible and hold our finger splayed out and resemble ourselves that a lion is roaring.
Evaluation of Part 1. Learn yoga from animals. First, complete the following. 1. Yoga as an ancient Indian dash. Answer is discipline is a composite practice. Second, physical exercise that help. Answer is us to attain concentration. Third, asanas should be practiced dash. Answer is in a clean, airy and well lit room. Fourth, Simhasana pose really dash. Answer is requires very little effort. Second, write one word for the following phrase. First, the science of copying nature for making man-made things. Answer is biomimicry. Second, full of energy and life. Answer is vibrant. Third, something that is modern and advanced. Answer is contemporary. Continuation of evaluation of part 1. Answer in one sentence. On which date world celebrates International Yoga Day? Answer is world celebrate International Yoga Day on 21st June. Second, name the body parts used in the passage. Answer is head, chest, shoulders, face, palms, leg, toes, eyes, forehead, mouth, etc. Third one, where was yoga perfected? Answer is yoga was perfected in India. Fourth one, what does yoga involve? Answer is yoga is an integrated system of physical exercise that involves the complete mind body soul complex that is human being. Answer the following. What are the benefits of yoga? Answer is yoga helps a person attain concentration and focus. It improves flexibility, balance, strength, and makes one feel physically vibrant and mentally sharp. It helps to solve the problems that arise due to daily activities like stiffness and back pain. Second, what is biomimicry? Answer is the word bio means life and mimicry means to copy or imitate. Biomimicry is a modern area of research or science that solves human problems by imitating nature. Third, what are the benefits of Bhujanga Asana? Answer is Bhujanga Asana help us to tone the muscles of our back, strengthen our spine and also benefits the chest and shoulders. Fourth, in what way is yoga a form of biomimicry? Answer, in many asanas or poses in yoga, we emulate mountains, trees, fish, cats, and many other animals. It helps us to solve many physical problems and also keeps a person energetic and mentally sharp. Biomimicry involves imitating nature to solve human problems. Thus, yoga is a form of biomimicry.
Complete the following diagrams. In this web diagram, student, you're supposed to write the answer in the given box. So, first, benefits of yoga. So, here 4 boxes are there. So, in these 4 boxes, you are supposed to write the benefits of yoga. So, the answer is first, helps to attain concentration and focus. B. Improves flexibility, balance and strength. C. Solve problems like stiffness and back pain. D. Makes one feel physically vibrant and mentally sharp. B1. Precautions in yoga practice means what precautions you are supposed to take while doing the yoga. So in this 3 box you are supposed to write the answer. So the answer is first, start practicing either in the presence of a yoga teacher or join yoga classes to learn the basic and the do's and don't of yoga. Second, practice asanas in a clean, airy and well lit room and on a level floor. Third, practice either in the morning before breakfast or in the evening before dinner. What is yoga? So again here student, 3 web diagram is there, means 3 box are there. You are supposed to write the answer in this. First, a culture of dash. Answer is physical, mental, spiritual and discipline. Second, composes practice involving. Answer, the complete mind, body, soul complex, that is a human being. Third, integrated system of dash physical exercise. So students, again here you are learning what is yoga. Thank you student.